how to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery and save and share it. So if you want to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery and share it, this video is for you. Now open Snapchat app, go to this gallery section. So from this, now go to this camera roll. In this option, now go and search for the picture. Scroll to down, go and search for the picture you want to add the filter to it. I will use this picture. After you select your picture, now tap on this little icon. After you tap on this little arrow, now as you can see, there is different pictures you can add. So now swipe your hand to right or left. So from this section, as you can see now, here is different filter. Go and search for the filter you want to add to the picture. So after you select the filter you want to add to the picture, now if you want to share the picture, just tap on this send button, or you can just go back and tap on this share button to story. So from now, the picture will be sent to my, as you can see now the picture has been sent to my Snapchat. That's it, guys, on how to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery and share it. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.